Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today's recipe comes from Mr. Deb's kitchen and his family and dates back generations. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open, and we're making creamy Pennsylvania Dutch potato salad. Come on in. Let's cook up something good.
Yay!
This amazing potato salad calls for just a few common kitchen ingredients. Please see the description for a complete list.
My first step is to get my 5 pounds of potatoes prepped and on the stove. Then, while they're cooking, I can start chopping my other ingredients.
I peel and rinse 5 pounds of russet potatoes and chop them into 5/8-inch cubes. By the time I chop 5 pounds, some of the potatoes are starting to oxidize and turn pink, so let's fix that. When I first cover them with water, they look pretty nasty, but I just pour off the water and refill, and now they look so much better. So let's cook them. I turn the heat on high, cover with a lid, and bring them to a boil. Once they're boiling, I remove the lid and then turn off the heat. The potatoes are still too hard, so I let them sit, testing every 2 minutes until at 8 minutes they are perfect, fork tender, but still slightly firm. I remove them from the stove, drain them, cover with cold water, and allow them to cool.
The most time-consuming part of this recipe is the chopping, but we already got most of that done while our potatoes were cooking.
I chopped 3 cups of dill pickles in about 1/2-inch cubes and 1 1/3 cups of red onions in about 1/4 to 3/8-inch cubes. I gently cut around my eggs to separate the yolks from the whites. Using a small shredder, I shred my egg yolks into a small bowl. They should have an almost powdery consistency. Then I shred the whites of the eggs into the same bowl using a standard-sized box grater. Now you can chop with a knife, but I want these to blend into the background, so I prefer to grate them. I add all of my chopped ingredients to a large bowl and mix them all together so they're evenly distributed. I need to be gentle. I don't want to mash up my potatoes.
Making the dressing is really easy. I recommend making it in a separate bowl first and then stirring it into your chopped ingredients.
I just whisk together 1 1/2 cups of mayonnaise, 3/4 cup of yellow prepared mustard, and 2 tablespoons of dill pickle juice. Finally, I add the dressing to the chopped ingredients and stir together. Then I cover my bowl with plastic wrap and allow the salad to chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours before serving. Better yet, let it cool overnight so all the flavors have time to meld together.
Okay, here is our finished product. Creamy, crunchy, savory, and tangy, this Pennsylvania Dutch potato salad is perfect for any occasion. Sometimes we eat it for lunch or even breakfast, all by itself. This stuff will bring your family to the dinner or picnic table where family is built, because if you feed them this, they will come. Crunch.